Hi, this is Sprint 5 from Murray Campbell. This week we worked on the time manager with the freeze frame, the scene changing mechanism, and uh, just the game in the game engine. So let's just take a look at these things in action before we get into how they work. Uh, let's see, we have the freeze frame. So you can freeze the game at any time by pressing P. You can hit O to skip to the next frame. That's all well and good, and that works. Then we have the scene changing mechanism, which happens when you press the N button. It changes to this new scene that doesn't have a world plane. And then when you press the space bar, you shoot a bullet. These are I'm currently having an issue in update where also I need to fix my input manager because it's firing off multiple times when I hold it down. So maybe I should have another state for it, one that is key down, key held, and key released. I'm actually kind of like the idea of that. So I'm gonna toy with that. I think I can do it, and so we're gonna do that. But right now, these are not updating their positions for some reason, and I might be missing something, but like this is just what's happening right now. It's kind of fun to draw though, you know. So that's all good. The game is in a good shape. The game engine, well, actually, it's not in like a good shape. It's just in an okay shape. This whole project right now is kind of in an okay state. Um, I've been. Oh wait, yeah, okay. So let's just actually just talk about the code right now. The time manager I don't need to talk about because uh, that's your code. So for scene registration, I made um, here. So the scene manager has this broker, which is like a scene change broker. It's like the scene registration broker, but the scene registration broker is specific to a scene. The scene change broker is specific to the scene manager singleton. Um, is Yeah. Are we supposed to make scene manager like not a singleton? I don't know. I forget. Okay, so we have this scene change broker, and it behaves more or less like the registration broker. It has the list of commands. It tells them to execute when we tell it to. Let's see. That happens specifically in where does that happen? Um, I forget where it's getting called. Oh man. Yeah, I need to get my class diagram in order because I haven't in the last 2 weeks, just for a reason that I'll talk about in a second. But yeah, I'm a little behind on that, and I know it. So I gotta get that. Gotta get that going. Is it impulse here? No, it's not. Okay, whatever. So, anyways, we have that the scene change broker is good. We have this ability to add uh, game objects to the scene, to the current scene, as well as adding these game objects in the scene file themselves. So that's good. So we can use things like bullets, which I have. Uh, that's good. We basically when you hang on, let me look at. Okay, yeah. So in my commands, I have a new set next scene command that when it's executed, it'll check to see if there's a current scene. If there is, it'll end that scene. If not, it doesn't do it. Then it sets the current scene to the next scene, and then it tells that next scene to initialize, and that's good. We've got that firing off in the scene change broker. Um, but yeah, so there's that. That works well. I've implemented a. Oh, okay, yeah, it's in the scene itself. My bad. So the scene when it updates tells the registration broker. No, that's not right. That's not right. It is. Damn. I don't know where that's happening. Oh wait, it might actually be happening in. Is it GameObject.cpp? No. Okay. Never mind. It's somewhere. So, let me just talk for a second about what's going on. Uh, I'm a little stressed out this week. There's just kind of a lot going on. I'm working on currently. Uh, well, okay, I won't count my side project because I've been putting that off because of the other work. But I'm working on 3 different games simultaneously right now. They are all for classes or work. I have a job, I have this class, and then I have another class that I'm making a game for that requires a great deal of work that I have not been doing because I have been trying to focus. I've been prioritizing my job and this class, and it's a lot of stuff to do. I also have other classes uh, as well, so it's all quite a bit. I am doing my best to keep up with all of it, but as a result, uh, it's a lot, and so I'm writing code constantly, and it's not good. None of it's good, and I don't have the time to go back and revise it and optimize it. So I'm just like writing bad code all over, and it feels kind of bad. So hopefully, like I will get a break in terms of time, and I'll be able to like go back and revise these things. But for now, like I'm doing my best with the time that I have, and so that's kind of what's going on. So my engine. Sorry, I'm like stuttering a lot. My engine is like okay right now, and I could really do use some like time to fix it. I think that maybe next quarter when I'm glad we're working on this for 2 quarters because maybe next quarter when we have like options in terms of what we want to work on, I would maybe like to take some time to go back to all of this stuff and fix all of these little stupid bugs. I've been doing some fixes to the things per your uh, recommendations every week, and that those have been good. But there's still some stuff that I'm missing, and I really want to get that working. I really want to change it. It's just a lot. I have a lot going on right now, so I'm sorry that I can't like it like sucks that I have to uh, say that I'm like swamped right now. That I like am not capable of working to the best of my ability. Like I don't like to accept that, but like I and I still can accept that. But like I'm doing my best, and I hope that that is okay. And I just want you to know that uh, I'm gonna make sure that this is like that this is not crap and that I'm not uh, totally wasting my time. I want to get something. I'm already getting something out of this class, and I want to get more out of it because your class and your classes really teach me a lot in comparison to other classes in this major. So uh, yeah. Anyway, I've been talking too long now. Thanks for everything. I will see you next week, and see you tomorrow in class and stuff. Or today, whenever you're watching this. I don't know. But yeah, okay. See ya.